What's up, TNS family? Welcome back to our channel.
Today we are going to parade.
Oh!
Say welcome to Samoa.
Welcome to Samoa. Choo-hoo. Okay, so like Lani said, we are off to the parade. Lanston, show us your fit. What are you wearing? My mom said I'm a fia boko, just like my dad. Wow. He's got his Nike shorts on, got an Adidas jumper inside with his Jordans. You look cute. Give me a kissy. No.
Hurry up.
Here we go, my girl Day Day. Hi. Hi. We got Chris. Baby, show us your fit. There we go. Love her fit. Her shirt is sponsored by her man.
Hello, what's up,
We've got
family?
Julie in here. Julie. What's up? This is her fit.
Yes.
Nice. Love it. Love the shirt. Going to Samoa. We got Jace over here. We're about to do his hair. So Tuxx is currently at the gym. He will not be attending with us. So he won't be coming to the parade tonight, but we will celebrate on his behalf. Yeah. Right, my darling? But yeah, guys, it has been a while. How have you all been? If you're wondering why the hell are they going to a parade, so Samoa versus Tonga last night, and insert clip here.
Yeah, they really picked Luke out, haven't they? And it worked out that time, but
last tackle, Milford sends up the kick. KRISTINE came to chase for it. It will fall to Brian Toho, and Brian Toho pops it down. Oh, the foot race is on here. And Kaloha Matangi just didn't have the gas, but right place, right time for Tonga.
Six again.
Set restart, picking up the back of that. Moses Suli has got the gas. What a pass! Katoa! Sione Katoa! They could strike from anywhere, and they just have. And it's Samoa who just came out on top by 2 points here.
Yes, to Samoa won. It was such a good game. It was a close game. Shout out to our Toko Usos, to all the Tongans out there. We love you guys, but let us have this one. Let us go wild on this one. So we will get back with you when we get to the parade. Let's go. Okay, fam, so we're just currently in the car and we're making our way over there. This is my brother's hair, loving it.
How about me?
Okay, fine, relax, bro. You get your camera time. But yeah, guys, so we're making our way over there, and I'm just so excited because this is our second parade that I've been to. That we went to the first one that was in Altona. Shout out to Wi-Fi and everyone behind these parades they've been putting on. It's been so awesome. I just hope that everyone comes with that pure intention of just enjoying each other's company and just celebrating our beautiful country Samoa, and most importantly to our players that are representing Samoa. And yeah, fam, so let's make our way over there. Okay, fam, so we just got here. We've got Julie just taking out the kids' trolley so we can put Day Day and Lenny in there. But guys, it is so packed. I'm so excited. I don't know if you guys can see it.
What's up, dance,
Kind of like over there. Show. They're kind of like we're in front of Spotlight. JB Hapa. Okay, so we're walking up to the parade now. Got my boy here. Everyone is here. Gotta bring our flag. Represent.
I'm on to the hockey. Let's go.
Okay, fam, we're home. My husband's sleeping. It's like 12 in the morning. He's not sleeping. I missed you.
Did you have fun?
Yes, I had so much fun.
Bro, look good.
Honey, it was better than our toner. Oh, this guy, I actually missed him so much. It was so good, honey. I was like waving, the flag had out. Gongo took us out on his ute again.
Bro, I saw all the stories.
Good.
All the stories, man.
Yeah.
Sick. 685 to the world, baby.
What was I gonna say? Everyone was there. I felt like every corner I turned, I knew like someone. Like all of Melbourne was there, legit. But yeah, guys, it's time for the hat to come off. Are you ready? I was sweating under this hard out, honey. Like, oh my god. Oh, that feels so good to just run my fingers in this. Literally saw everyone there. I'm gonna let my husband go to sleep. Honey, why are you still awake? You're meant to be asleep. I'll be back. Okay, guys. I've got my food here. Oh, which is just prawns with the rice. Jace had the Maccas. I did not.
I didn't have that.
He had the McDonald's. And now he wants some of my prawns and the Spam.
I didn't have that.
He did. He did. Anyway, so I've got it with my sushi pack and I'm gonna make a sushi and eat that. Ooh. I hate it when this happens. I just wanted to say thank you to the organizers again, like Wi-Fi, and I don't know who his team is behind him, but thank you to them that hosted an awesome parade tonight. Loved it. Like, that was my second parade that I've been to and fairly enjoyed it. Had such a good time turning up with our people. There was no dramas. It was a safe event. Good. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah. And rest in peace to everyone's cars.
Guys, one car. I'm not going to name the person though, because I feel like he doesn't want to say, he probably doesn't want me to expose him like that. But a guy that I know, let's call him Joma. Joma told me he sat on another guy's ute, so it must be his friend or, I don't know, a stranger. He sat on top of the car, the roof of the car. He dented the roof. He dented the roof. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Don't worry, fam. There'll be plenty more vlogs coming through. It's just been a hectic time, a hectic year, but I'm gonna smash out some more vlogs. My brother's looking at me because he knows that I be slacking hard. But don't worry, fam, there will be more vlogs coming through. I'm thinking about doing Vlogmas just because I've never done it before. I was thinking of doing that. But just comment down below and let me know what you guys think, because yeah, I don't know. I was thinking of doing Vlogmas, so I think that'll be fun, but that'll just be so, I don't know. I want to try it, you know? You'll never know until you try it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please give this video a thumbs up. Down below in the comment section, go crazy. 685 to the world, baby. And yeah, don't forget to
like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Subscribe, baby. Subscribe, baby. Let's go.
And for all you Tonggans out there trying to rain on our parade.
Nah, seriously, shout out to our Toko Usos. Like, you guys, I know that if Tonga won tonight, there will be no mercy. Shout out to Tonga, okay? They were there at the parade too. Matemat Tonga all the way. But just let us have this moment, because I know that if you guys won, you guys would have went crazy on us. Just grateful we got to win, take that win out. But yeah, guys. Bye.